I am Gargi, she is Ashani, and she is Sharanya. So today we are going to tell you our project, that is Studysnap AI. It is a Hispanic revision helper website for students. The problem that student face is just like student often feel stressed and overwhelmed before exams, like they're being very stressed before the exam night, and they feel like I am forgetting everything. Large syllabus make revision difficult in a short time. Important topics are scattered across textbooks and notebooks. Some answers and questions are that much long that they have been forgotten, but they have learned.
Exam stress and memory lapses. Most of the students report blanking out under exam pressure, which makes it hard to recall studied material, due to which the exam performance drops heavily.
One button to save the day. When students feel stressed, overwhelmed, telling the problem to our website instantly provides an essential revision support, quick access to the important topics, notes, formula, and checklists.
The features we see in website is important topics. It provides important topics from that particular subject or the topic. Quick revision notes. It provides us a quick revision and summarized notes for the last minute study. It bit-sized revision notes distill complex topics into clear, easy to read points you can absorb in minutes. Formula sheets. It provides formula and equation sheets for the students to understand quickly and nicely. Handy formulas and equations reference. Last minute checklist. It also provides the last minute checklist before exam for better exam.
Benefits for students. It reduces exam stress, which provides immediate support the moment students feel overwhelmed, helping them stay calm and focused when it matters the most during exam time. Saves revision time. Focuses on critical content, so students spend less time searching and more time reviewing. Boost confidence. Empowers students with quick access to key material, building confidence before exams.
Future improvements. You can add syllabus selection for CBSE, ICSE, and GE and NEET and state boards. Add language selection for Hindi and regional languages, and save notes history for logged in students, and quick quiz mode where students can answer MCQs interactively. Add teacher mode for generating worksheets and lesson plans, and citizens or source recommendations for future reading.
Thank you.
So this is our prototype. Here we will type the topic like photosynthesis class 7th only. So the whole explanation is there about key concepts, important facts, and photosynthesis in simple words, equations, 5 multiple choice questions for the practice sessions, and revision notes. That's it.
Anybody any questions? Why should I use that? Because if you take ChatGPT or Google Notebook LLM, it provides mind maps, videos, audios, flashcards, MCQ quizzes, and it also customizes like you want hard, easy. And we take ChatGPT, if you ask it to generate formulas, to generate like notes, it does it, and it also like.
You can basically you can ask anything, and this also further related to your ICC board, and it will get the exact answer as you want, exact notes and exact everything. You don't have to give the prompts like in the chat GPT. You have to say again and again, give me that also, that also, that also. Just say give the photosynthesis class 7th. It will generate notes, revision notes, quick important topics and everything. You can make the PDF of this also. The topic you have you can get the PDF if you download it. In this, the main features we see that it also gives the important topics, notebook, important topics and important features, MCQs, and all the revision sheet that you want, and that can be downloaded in your phone also.
I'd like to add on to that. So this chatbot is powered by Gemini, right? API. So can't you just go to Gemini and ask the question directly?
See, the thing is that what I'm thinking out now, it's like you can do everything, how to put it together, right? It's a one platform where you everything done in a single step. If there are people who are very smart, they don't need these kind of things. Maybe they can do it on the, but it's a complicated process. So what what they are trying to do here is to simplify the process, right? Photosynthesis class 7, and it's a systematic process. You don't have to think through the process. There are notes I have, short answer questions I have, MCQ I have, revision notes I have, take home notes I have, project I have, right? It's all systemized for your application, right? It's not that you can't do it through Gemini or ChatGPT or that. Of course you can, but they have put it easy way. But good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Doing good. It's a building block. You should look it from the point of view that it is somebody starting out for the first time in their life, right? Doing something meaningful is also great, right? It's not that we are trying to put them on shopping block. Why do you do that, right? But you're appreciating also that.
But apart from this, like it's a specification. I'm just writing the topic. I don't know. I need an MCQ. I don't need a topic. Whether it is ICSE, CBSE. When you're making specification, it's a right. There's no need to write a whole prompt.
When you answered, you mentioned that you can take any topic from ICSE syllabus. Is it only for ICSE syllabus?
No, Guru, we can put any word.
Any book.
Like everything, like this, CBSE does not bring in
Sorry.
like the CBSE has changed the book pattern, so we should candidate ask it to make a sheet according to that, like if there's history or reshaping that question mark, we can ask it to manage the sheet.
Actually, we haven't done that now. We have done for the future improvements that.
Thank you.